Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to tell you how to generate table of content and list of figures and table automatically. And I'll tell you one more thing which is very important in the report, how to give references and citations. So let's get started, shall we? Basically you should have some heading for table of content. So here we have five headings and two subheadings. So what you have to do, first select first heading and select the style heading 1 for it. Select second heading, again select style heading 1 for that. Again here we have sample heading 3, again select heading 1 as a style, and now here we have sample subheading, the subheading of heading 3. So what you have to do, select heading style as a 2 for subheading. Then sample heading again 4, which is main heading of that particular section, select as a heading 1 style. Again we have some subheading and you have to select heading 2 as a style. Again here we have main heading and you're selecting heading 1. There you go. Now we have set all the styles as per word. Now we have to generate table of content. Now go to reference. On the first corner you have table of content. Now here we have list some typical types of table of content. Select any type you want. I'm selecting classic one. Here you have now table of content sample heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Under that heading we have one subheading. Again sample heading 4, again subheading and 5, and it comes with the page number. So for that now you should have this thing on separate page. So select this thing, go to insert, select as a page break. Now you have table of content on separate page. Now for figures and tables, go to first figure, select that figure, go to references, select insert caption. Now here is figure, insert caption is sample 1. You can choose if it is a figure, graph or table or equation. You can select the position also and say OK. You can see here figure 1, sample 1. Again you have to do same with the other figures also. Now we are done with all the figures. Now select all the tables we have. Select the table, again go to insert caption. Now it's saying that figure 2, but this is table, we know that. So in the label you select as a table. Now here you have table 1, sample table 1. Okay. Always remember, when you label any table, the label should be on top, and when you label any image, the image label should be on the bottom of the image. Selecting another table. Now we have to make list of figures and table. Again go to first. Here you have one option, insert table and figure, tables of figures. Select that option. Select as a table, say OK. Now you have table of 2. Now you want images. Again select insert table of figures. Say you want figures. OK. Now you have everything. Now you have two different lists. First is table list and another is figure list. Again you can do same thing. Go to first, insert, you want page break over here. Okay. Now you have table of content on one page, and another page you have list of figures and tables. Now this is one of the important part. While making a report, it's very important to give references and citations. So again you have to go to references. Now you have to go here. We have one citation as a column, or else you can give as an insert citation. So for example, if I want to give this paragraph as some citations, so place a cursor over there and select as an insert citation. Write your name of author, write your what is the name of web page, or if you are referring some book section, article, journal, or anything with this, you can select. For example, if you are referring a book, then select a book, write a author's name, title's name, city, publisher, or anything, and select OK. Now you have here citation marked as ABC. Now if you want to change the style of citation, you can go here on the just next tab and bibliography style. You select that. If you want to use different style, now right now I'm using Harvard. You can use IEEE, Chicago, or anything. Now again give some more citations as you need. Now you have to give a list of references or bibliography. Go at the bottom of the page. Now you have separate page. You should always give bibliography or references on separate pages. Go on the page, go to the references again. On the references, here you have one style of bibliography. Select that style, select whichever style you like, and click it. Now here you have two citations marked. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.